Setting up number of exchanges by correspondence. After the initial setup by the chairman of the multi-district organization, the next step is for each correspondent to set up the number of exchanges for the coming year of exchange. The URL is www.rotary-yep.org. First, identify yourself. As a correspondent of the multi-district, choose here and then the name of your multi-district. And then key in the user ID and password given by your chair. Then click Login. You will now see the data entry modify page and an error message. There will be an error message because the matrix is not set up yet. Disregard this message for the time being. If you want to change password, click Initial Setup on the upper right corner. Then key in your email address and your new password. Remember to click Modify button to save the changes made. Going back to the data entry modify area, choose first the year of exchange. For example, Correspondent Europe 1 is responsible for exchanges with countries in France and in Germany. Both are operating as multi-districts. For the new year of exchange, start by setting up the number of outbound exchanges to each country. For example, we set up for France first. We will have 3 outbound students. We put 3 here and then click Save. Same thing, we will have 3 inbound students from France, so you click Inbound here and then put in the number of exchange and then click Save. Do the same for Germany. Key in the number of inbound students for the coming exchange year and also the number of exchanges for outbound. If you want to add another country to your area of responsibility, click here, Adjust your area of responsibility. Now, to add country to your area, just click the Add button here. You will be presented with a list of countries to choose from. Countries are listed alphabetically. Scroll down and choose. The countries are divided into the different areas also. To narrow down the choices, click the area you are responsible for. For example, you are responsible for Europe. Click Europe here and you will be shown a list of countries under Europe. For example, we are to add Hungary, or we click the first alphabet of Hungary, which is H, and then you can choose Hungary here and then click Save. The new country added will be shown here under the area Europe. To delete a country, just click the X mark here. Now we go to set up the districts that we will exchange with under Hungary. Click Set button. You will now see a list of districts under Hungary listed in the column called Original. Just click the district number and the district selected will be transferred to the area under Selected. Then click Save button. Now return to the previous page. And if you scroll down on the area under country, you'll see Hungary now added in. Just key in the number of exchanges you will have with Hungary. We put 2 under outbound, and then remember to click save. Same thing, set up the number of inbound students for Hungary. Here we put 2 students also, and then click save after. After entering all the inbound and outbound exchanges for the coming year, the data entry will look like this page. You now have a total of outbound students to Europe, 8, and inbound students from Europe, 8 also. This finishes your setting up number of